In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete recipes on MyFitnessPal with this quick guide. Whether you've entered a recipe by mistake or you're simply tidying up your collection, knowing how to remove recipes can help keep your MyFitnessPal account organized and up to date. First, start by opening the MyFitnessPal app on your smartphone. MyFitnessPal is an incredibly useful tool for those of us trying to stay on top of our nutritional goals, and a clean, organized recipe list can be very helpful. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do this next. Once the app is open, look for the login option. Tap on it to proceed. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials, which include your email address and password. Make sure you type them correctly to avoid any login issues. If you're having trouble remembering your password, there should be a forgot password option that can guide you through resetting it. After you've entered your details, click on the login button. This will take you to the home page of the app where you can access all its features. Once you're logged in, you'll see the home page filled with various options and features aimed at helping you track your fitness journey. Now you'll want to navigate to your profile. Your profile icon is typically located in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on it to get into your personal settings and options. Here you'll find all sorts of features to help you manage your meals, workouts, and more. Look for and select Recipes, Meals, and Foods. This segment lists all the recipes you've saved or created while using the app. It's your personal cookbook, virtual and compact, right in your phone. Next, you'll need to locate the particular recipe that you'd like to delete. Scroll through your list of recipes until you find the one you want to remove. Once you've found it, tap on the recipe to open it. This will bring up all the details associated with that recipe. In the upper right corner of the recipe details page, you'll notice there are 3 dots. This is generally the icon for more options in many apps, including MyFitnessPal. Tap on these 3 dots to see additional options related to your recipe. Finally, you'll see the option to delete recipe. Tap on it and a confirmation message may appear, asking you to verify if you're sure you want to delete this recipe. Confirm the deletion, and just like that, the recipe will be removed from your list. And there you have it, a straightforward process to help manage your recipe list within the MyFitnessPal app. This can ensure your recipe collection remains relevant and streamlined. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.